Okay, picture this. You're logged in a 30-minute Zoom meeting, you're taking notes, you're nodding along, you're pretending to care. Halfway through, boom, your brain says, I'm out, and starts planning dinner. By the end, all you remember is Brenda talking about quarter three KPIs and someone's cat walking across the keyboard like it owned the place. And then someone asks, Hey, can you send me the meeting summary? But wait, here's the plot twist. You've got an audio recording. Hallelujah. But now what? Do you listen to the whole thing again on 0.5x speed? Like it's some psychological torture experiment? Nah, you're smarter than that because you've got Vostril. Welcome back to Atarian News, where the tech is spicy, the takes are extra crispy, and the AI, well, today is French. Now, what is Vostril? Well, it is something like as if Google Translate, Siri, and ChatGPT had a wild night in Paris and accidentally gave birth to a brilliant multilingual voice AI baby. I'm just saying, this is actually a shiny new open source voice AI model released by the mad geniuses over at Mistral AI, a startup that's been running heads like a raccoon at a garden party. They've already made waves with models like Mistral and Mistral 7B. Yeah, those super compact, high octane brainiacs. Well, now they're coming for your audio files like an AI version of Sherlock Holmes. So, what actually is Vostral? It's not just another, oh, look, it transcribes my voice tool. No, 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 no. This bad boy has speech intelligence. Like, yes, I understand what you're saying, Karen level intelligence. It listens to your podcast, figures out what's going on, summarizes it, translates it, answers your questions about it, probably judges your music taste, and even pulls out action items. Boom, all in one. It's like ChatGPT with ears. But don't we already have things like Whisper? Whisper is great. I love Whisper. It's like that one friend who remembers everything you say, but can't do much with it. Like, yeah, they transcribe your stuff, and that's it. Voxtral, it's Whisper after a triple espresso and a Tony Robbins seminar. It doesn't just listen, it gets you. Ask it, hey, what did that angry customer say? It'll tell you. What's the main point of this ranty 45-minute podcast? Boom, and you get three bullets. Maybe, well, what's the meaning of life? Okay, maybe not that, but close enough. And it speaks languages like it's prepping for Eurovision. English, yes. French, oui. Spanish, si. Hindi, Polish, German, Portuguese, all on the menu. It's basically the Duolingo owl with a PhD. Now let's talk versions. Cause yes, Vostral comes in three flavors. Flavor number one, Vostral Small. This is the big daddy. 24 billion parameters. That's like smarter than most CEOs level. This one's made for the cloud, big servers, enterprise setups. It'll chew through a 3 hour therapy session and hand you a neat little summary. Second flavor, Vostral Mini. The middle child, but in a good way. Just 3 billion parameters. Small enough to run locally, which means yes, you can literally use it on your laptop or even your phone. It's like having a genius in your pocket. Not weird at all. And flavor number three is the Voxtral Baby Transcriber. Okay, not officially called that, but it's the stripped down, budget friendly version that just transcribes stuff at a mind boggling cost of $0.001 per minute. That's like what? Hey, cheaper than chewing gum. Also, but did I mention it's half the price of Whisper? So, yeah, it's boogie on a budget. Okay, let's get nerdy about the use cases. You've got a 30-minute customer support call where the only thing you heard clearly was someone crying. Vostral's got your back. Podcast in Spanish that you want subtitled in English and broken down for your lazy editor. Yep, Vostral. An interview where someone said something important but also mumbled like they had marbles in their mouth. Voxtrals like say less, actually say more. I'll translate. And it works in real time. So yeah, your next voice assistant can literally understand what you're saying and act on it too. Remind me to water my plants. Boom, reminder set. Cancel my 4 p.m. meeting. Boom, cancelled. Order tacos. Okay, maybe we are not there yet, but we are close enough. How are you going to use it? Well, there are three ways to do that. One, Mistral API. Get your API key, upload audio, pick your model, mini or small, and let the AI magic begin. Number two, Hugging Face demo. If you don't code, don't worry. Upload your clip on their website and watch Vostral flex in real time. And number three, local setup. If you're a privacy freak, or just like feeling powerful, download the model weights, run it locally, and build your own offline audio genius. It's all open sourced under Apache 2.0 license. Meaning you can do whatever the heck you want to do with it. Commercial apps, research, weird hobby projects, it's all fair game. Now here's the real kicker, the juicy stuff. Podcast is you just found your new best friend. Transcripts, highlights, quotes for your Insta. Hostels got you. Businesses, well, it can auto summarize meetings and send out notes. So no one ever has to say, can you repeat that again? Global teams who transcribe in one language, get it in another, polyglot power. Teachers, you can turn lectures into study guides, quizzes, and even memes. I mean, let's keep it real. And devs, well, you can go wild. Build smart voice assistants, audio search tools, or a karaoke app that roasts your singing in real time. And the bottom line, Voxtral is not just an audio model, it's an audio wizard. It's open, it's fast, it's multilingual, it's smarter than your last five assistants combined. And one of those was probably you. Mistral dropping this open source is like someone handing you Iron Man's suit and saying, go nuts. Whether you're a student building the next Siri in a shack or a startup trying to replace 10 employees with one API call, this is your moment. And hey, all the links you need are in the description. Step by step guide, yup. One click demo, well, we'll get to that later in some other video. And of course, you know what's coming. Smash that like button like it's trying to bill you hourly. Subscribe if you haven't already, or we'll send a Voxtel powered bot to summarize your browsing history. Oh, just kidding. And share this with your crew because sometimes we all need to bitch around a bit with style. Catch you in the next one.